Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best omelet makers that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best omelet makers. If there's something most people love eating at any meal in the day, it is an omelet. You can prepare one of these in many ways, with thousands of ingredients, and still provide a very nutritious and tasty meal. Number 5. Le Couille Omelette Maker. A product that delivers efficiency in the kitchen, more cleanliness, faster preparation, and perfectly rounded omelets at the same time. All omelets will come in the perfect shape. Main features: easy 3-step cooking, 5-minute omelet making, clean and hygienic build. Number 4. Cuisinart WAF B50 Omelette Maker. It flips your food automatically and works for a wide variety of preparations from omelets up to sandwiches and even sausages or steaks. Main features: cooks 2 things at the same time. Easy to use rotary feature. Excellent non-stick coating. Number 3. Holstein Housewares HFO9010B. It is maybe the simplest among all omelette makers. Just add the preparation to the cavities without going too far, and let it cook for a few minutes and that's it. Main features: top-notch non-stick material. Useful light indicators. Compact and well-made. Number 2. Holstein Housewares HH09370112SS Omelette Maker. The entire construction is also reliable, resistant and incredibly easy to clean. With a non-stick coating. Main features: exceptional spacing for eggs per side. Non-slip base promotes. Helps you cook more conveniently. Number 1. Dash Omelette Maker with dual non-stick plates. It is slightly smaller than others. Its excellent efficiency will keep you hooked to it, as it is faster, easier to use, and delivers more versatility. Main features: outstanding design makes the device. Excellent oval pan helps to cook. Totally easy to use. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.